Today I'm going to show you how to make Hiyashi Mitarashi Dango, that's chilled sweet and savory soy sauce dumplings. To keep the dumplings soft even after chilling, I'll add silken tofu and just a touch of sugar to the dough. First, let's make the sauce. In a small pan, add cornstarch, sugar, mirin, and soy sauce and water. Give it a good stir until smooth. Cook over medium heat, stirring constantly. When it starts to thicken and look a little curdled, stir quickly until smooth and glossy. Once it's bubbling and shiny, take it off the heat and chill the pan in an ice bath while we make the dumplings. Traditionally, we use potato starch, but cornstarch works really well too. Just use half the amount if you go with the potato starch. Now let's make the dumplings. In a bowl, add mochiko and sugar. Mix to combine. Then add silken tofu and knead until it becomes a smooth and pliable dough. Divide the dough into two, roll each dough into a log about 10 inches long, and cut into 10 equal pieces. Roll them into a little balls. They look so cute, right? Drop the dumplings into boiling water and cook until they float to the surface, about 2 to 3 minutes. And after that, cook another couple of minutes. Then transfer them into an ice bath to chill. Now drain the dumplings and pat away the extra moisture. Toss them in a glossy, sweet and savory sauce we made earlier. And there you have it. Hiyashi Mitarashi Dango is ready to serve. They look beautiful in a glass dish, especially in a hot summer day. Serve with cold brew green tea and, if you like, a sprinkle of kinako for extra flavor. So soft and chewy and so refreshing. You're going to love this summer version of a Japanese classic. I hope you will give this recipe a try. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a big thumbs up and share the video with your friends and families, and consider subscribing if you don't want to miss any of my new videos. And follow me on the social media and tag me on your post if you give it a try. And join my happy eating group to share your food with me. And my store on Amazon has pretty much everything that I'm using in my video. And for more information, visit my website princessbamboo.com. Thanks again, and I will see you soon. Bye!